Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here today in Kereita. I wanna go to Kereita forest. I wanna do zip lining, so yeah, I'm waiting here for my friend. She's actually from Nairobi, so I'm going to have something here, and then as I wait for her to show up. So yeah, it's fun out here. Hoping it's gonna be the best. Watch my videos. Yeah? Don't mind.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Make sure your hands are. Yeah.
Unaonyeshana nini? Good one.
Yeah, it's been fun. I'm really excited, and yeah, I want to get to know how was the experience, from my beautiful sister out here. So tell us, how was the experience? How did you like it?
At first when I did the first run, I was like, oh, do I need to do the rest?
Yeah.
I was so scared.
Yeah.
And then I was like, this was not the first time I'm doing this.
Yeah.
So how can I be scared?
Mm-hmm.
I started enjoying. And I changed my mind from 2 to like, let me do 6.
Yeah.
And then there was the one that we hiked.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God. You just get tired, you just feel like sitting down and giving up. But if you look at the view, you're just like, oh, keep on pushing.
I actually saw like you're almost like giving up. You're like.
And then there was, I think, the 4th ride. So I was having fun releasing the thing that we were supposed to hold. And then I was like, I'm stopping. I need to hold it to rest.
Yeah.
So I stopped at the video, and if I looked down, it's like, nikichaka tu. Yeah, but the experience was amazing. I would recommend anyone else who wanna come here to just come and do it. It's amazing. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So,
and the guide who workers there, they were so nice, like friendly, yeah, and they keep on like, you can do it, you can do it.
They were really encouraging, yeah.
Yeah, they were really encouraging. So don't feel scared. Come and do it.
All right.
Kereita is the place to be. The forest, actually.
Yeah. All right, guys. Yeah. I don't even know her name. What's your name, my beautiful sister? Tell our people.
I'm Jerry.
Yeah, she's Jerry.
Yes.
Yeah. So yeah. Oh, it's been fun. Have a good one.
It was fun.
It's been fun. Bye bye. Yeah. Oh. Sanitize. Yeah.
They get so dry. I still have some flowers. It's so beautiful. I don't feel like it.
Where did you get the flowers from?
Oh, somewhere there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and it's so beautiful. So if you sanitize your hands after washing them, they don't feel dry like using the soap.
So, come up this side. Oh my goodness, I love that. Yeah, so, yeah. Everything's fine out here. Really had some fun and seen a lot of visitors. Looks like a lot of people do visit this place because it's so exciting and it's fun. If you haven't been to this place, you're really missing a lot. So make a point to come and visit this place. You'll really enjoy it and you'll really have fun. It's also a place that I can bring your family, children, and yeah, they can have fun out here because they have horse riding. They got how do you call the ball thing?
Which one?
The ball, the shooting, whatever.
The paint. They had the painting something.
Painting ball.
Yeah, painting ball.
Painting ball, something like that.
Yeah.
They got the painting ball, whereby if you got kids or even grown-ups, man, they're out there, shooting each other. And also they got bicycle riding. Yeah, it's fun out here. Yeah, the place is so serene. It's so fantastic. The weather is nice. People are friendly. I mean, the guides out here, man, yeah, they'll take you